Think your mechanic tells you everything you need to know about car maintenance? Think again. There are secrets that could save you hundreds, or even thousands, of dollars. Mechanics don't always mention them, and some might even benefit from keeping you in the dark. In today's video, I'm revealing 7 insider car maintenance tips mechanics don't usually talk about. These aren't just time savers, they'll keep your car running smoothly while cutting unnecessary expenses. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll have the tools and knowledge to outsmart the repair shop and take control of your car's health. Tip 1. Stop overchanging your oil. Let's start with one of the biggest myths, changing your oil every 3,000 miles. This advice was golden in the 1980s. Today's engines and modern synthetic oils are far more advanced, with most vehicles easily going 5,000 to 7,500 miles between changes. Some even stretch to 10,000 miles with the right oil. Here's the truth, your car's owner's manual is your best friend. It contains the manufacturer's recommended oil change intervals, tailored specifically to your vehicle. Don't rely on the sticker your mechanic slaps on your windshield, they're often overly cautious. And here's another insider tip, when you do change your oil, stick with the grade recommended in the manual. Mechanics might suggest premium or high-mileage oils that aren't necessary and cost more. By following the manufacturer's guidelines, you'll save money, time, and reduce waste. It's a win-win for your wallet and the environment. Tip 2. Rotate your tires regularly. Tires aren't cheap, so making them last as long as possible should be a priority. One way to do this is by rotating them regularly. Every 5,000 to 7,500 miles is a good rule of thumb. Why is this important? Tires wear unevenly depending on their position. For instance, the front tires on a front-wheel drive car handle more stress because they steer and bear most of the engine's weight. Rotating the tires ensures even wear, which extends their lifespan and improves handling. Now, here's the cool part, you can do this yourself. With a car jack, a torque wrench, and a little patience, tire rotation is a straightforward process. If DIY isn't for you, ask for it during routine maintenance, it's usually inexpensive. Neglecting tire rotation can lead to premature wear, reduced fuel efficiency, and even safety issues. Don't skip this simple step, it's one of the easiest ways to save money and keep your car running smoothly. Tip 3. Skip the premium gas, if your car doesn't need it. Here's a mistake many people make, filling up with premium gas when their car doesn't require it. Premium fuel is designed for high-performance engines that operate at higher compression ratios. For the average car, regular unleaded fuel works perfectly fine. You won't see any boost in performance, mileage, or longevity by using higher-octane gas unless your owner's manual explicitly recommends it. In fact, spending extra on premium fuel can add up quickly. Let's say premium costs 50 cents more per gallon, and you fill up a 15-gallon tank once a week. That's an extra $390 a year, wasted. Save that money for real maintenance needs, like tires or oil changes. Tip 4. Watch for brake pad warning signs. Your brakes are one of the most critical safety systems in your car, and ignoring early warning signs can lead to expensive repairs, or worse. Here's what to watch for. Squeaking or squealing noises, this is often the first sign your brake pads are wearing thin. Grinding sounds, if you hear this, you might already be damaging your rotors. A soft brake pedal, this could indicate worn pads or a problem with your hydraulic system. Vibrations when braking, often a sign of warped rotors, which could have been prevented by replacing pads on time. Brake pads are relatively inexpensive to replace compared to the cost of fixing rotors or calipers. Regularly inspecting and maintaining them can save you a fortune and keep you safe on the road. Tip 5. DIY windshield wiper replacement. When was the last time you replaced your windshield wipers? If you can't remember, it's probably time. Wipers should be changed every 6 to 12 months, depending on wear. Mechanics charge a premium for this simple task, but here's the good news, replacing wipers is as easy as snapping out the old ones and clicking in the new ones. Most auto parts stores will even help you pick the right size for your car. Clear visibility is crucial for safety, especially in bad weather. Don't wait for a streaky windshield to remind you, it's an easy fix that's worth doing yourself. Tip 6. Keep your car battery healthy. Ever been stranded with a dead battery? It's a nightmare, and often preventable. One of the easiest ways to extend your battery's life is by keeping the terminals clean. Corrosion, which looks like a crusty white or green substance, can interfere with the electrical connection. Here's how to clean it. Mix baking soda and water into a paste. Use a wire brush to scrub away the corrosion. Rinse with water and dry with a clean cloth. Also, pay attention to your battery's age. Most last between 3 to 5 years, but extreme temperatures can shorten their lifespan. If your battery is older, consider replacing it proactively to avoid an inconvenient breakdown. Tip 7. Check your tire pressure monthly. Did you know underinflated tires can reduce your gas mileage by up to 3%? That may not sound like much, but it adds up over time, especially with today's gas prices. Underinflated tires also wear out faster and can even be a safety hazard. The solution? A $10 tire pressure gauge and 5 minutes of your time each month. Here's how to do it. Check your tire pressure when the tires are cold, before you've driven on them. Compare the reading to the recommended pressure listed on the driver's side door frame. Inflate or deflate as needed. Keeping your tires properly inflated improves handling, saves money, and ensures a safer ride. That's it, 7 car maintenance tips that will save you money, time, and headaches. By taking charge of these simple tasks, you'll avoid unnecessary expenses and keep your car running like a dream. Which tip was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more car care secrets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.